Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you mid to late season lilies. So the first oates are started to bloom. That signals me that we are entering the end of the mid-season lilies. But this cultivar is called I think it's called Beijing Moon. So it's a tetraploid trumpet. It has nice big flowers, strong stems, and you can see the TA hybrids are still blooming. They still have a few flowers. And this is Orange Planet, which unfortunately is not upright as it was advertised. You can see that there is a bud upright, but that's not everything. And I still have Golden Splendor in flower and Amethyst Temple. And I have a new stem of Amethyst Temple. It's very nice. The OA hybrids are finishing up. And I have the Golden Stone Open. It's an LA hybrid. And this was sold as Lake Lily, but it's King David. Because it has a very straight inflorescence. So it's a nice cultivar. Still have some flowers on the what's the name? Easter Morn. I have the longiflorums in flower, the dwarf ones Miracle and the Prime Ice, and I have Ogita in flower, and I have Elegant in flower. It's an Aurelian hybrid with nice brush strokes and papillae in the flower. And I have some unnamed seedlings opening up and flowering. And yep, these are big ones. I also have the alliums in flower, the rhizomatous alliums. And I have to give them a lot of water because we just passed our all-time heat record for today. So our heat record for today was 37 degrees C, and now it's 41, so it's 106 Fahrenheit. It is quite hot for us. And I'm still having... Well, I should water these plants because the regimes look a little bit rattled. I stopped watering them 2 weeks ago, but I still have to give them some water. I've harvested the allium stems, and well, I am not going inside here because that's not great, and I have a leak in the water. So I have my seedlings in bloom. This is 2 meters tall, so about 6.5 feet. Oh, this is quite nice. And my other seedlings. And I like fragrant trumpets. That's why I have a lot of seedlings. They grow well for me because they need a little bit alkaline soil, so that helps them to grow big. And I have Easy Whisper in flower. So it's an Asiatic, and I have Red Velvet starting. I like it. That was one of the first lilies I grew. Oh, and I got another leak. So this is Miss Peculiar, and you can see here is a leak, and I have to fix that. Our peaches are ripening. I don't know if you can see them, but they're nice. So the Asiatics LAs are finishing up now, and I have my sunflowers in bloom. So this is supposed to be black, it's not black. This is supposed to be tall, it's not tall, but it's double, so not everything is lost. This is my other favorite lily, Belvedere, and I have Otis with virus and White Planet, and this is a very nice one, Schellenbaum, and I have other tetraploid trumpets. Oh, this is an old cultivar, it's called Longiconda, and this one is Booster. It's not a bad cultivar, it just doesn't grow well for me. They need a more acidic soil. Oh, I like this one, it's a greenish yellow trumpet called Zolniaki, very nice. And I have some virus in the gladiolus, and of course other plants as well. This is also a nice tetraploid. This is quick, it looks nice, but OTs need shade under my growing conditions. Still a few good stems, and you can see the Asiatics. I already started picking the flowers off from the newly opening seedlings. I will show you more. And I throw them down because I want the bulbs to grow. If the lilies in their first flowering year start to have seeds, they don't grow bulbs. So the first flowers have to go. This is my seedling. That's also my seedling. That also. And this is a very nice flower. I got it from Minnesota 2 years ago, and it flowers. This is my seedling, longiflorum. I like longiflorums. And you can see here I got some tetra trumpets. This is a nice one, and yellow trumpets, also tetra. And as I said, the first flowers have to go. So that's why I throw them down. This is Polar Star, and I have the basil in flower, so I have to cut the basil soon. And I got the comfrey now in flower with a butterfly. Nice. I got the what's the name? Tuberosum. What tuberosum is that? I forget a lot of names. It's alright, I'm getting old anyway, so that's normal. Asclepias tuberosa. So this is Asclepias tuberosa, and it needs very good drainage. And I have pistachio in bloom. I photographed the other stem for the show, and I have some LO hybrids in bloom. I already cut this stem because it was the bigger one, and I have also Liatris in bloom and the other one in buds. They also need very good drainage, and the Cosmos are in bloom. Oh, and I have the seeds of Hippe Australia, so I have to pick them after I finish the video, and the Gloriosas are also in bloom, so that's nice. I have some doubles here. These were planted later. This is one of my favorite, Amber Waves. With some good seedlings from other breeders. Oh, and I have Gladiolus in flower. Which one is this? Charming Beauty. No, 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 no. That's just charm. So Gladiolus tubergeni charm. It's a nice one. And I have to weed. Oh, I have other Gladiolus in flower and more seed heads and more lilies. So, which one is this? Primulinus Las Vegas. I like it. It's not that colorful as it was stated on the website, but websites lie. Okay. Not much flowering, just a Thymus. So, thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.